場上1分鐘啦，台下咧就真係可能唔止10年功啦。為咗呢1分鐘都唔夠嘅時間，我哋操練嘅所有嘢其實可能遠遠係比大家想象中更加辛苦。我係黃振聲，我係香港中文大學嘅龍舟隊隊長。我喺龍舟界已經玩咗大概3年嘅龍舟啦。咁我喺中大讀嘅 major 咧係宗教研究。喺 join 龍舟之前，我覺得龍舟係一項端午節嘅運動。我冇諗過龍舟可以係一項咁熱血、咁值得人拼搏嘅一項運動。
We train here 3 times a week at Shek Moon, sometimes early in the morning and sometimes late after class. My name is Heidi the women's dragon boat team captain here at CUHK. I'm currently juggling between my academics, my major studies, as well as my social life. Being a captain means I have to lead by example, both on and off water.
I'm Naomi, and I'm the women's dragon boat team drummer. I'm currently in my 6th year of medicine, and this is my 2nd year on the team. As a drummer, I'm the one holding everyone together. I remind everyone to keep pushing and also stay focused.
到咗現場同大家做熱身嘅時候，我見到大家庭入邊嘅唔同嘅成員，咁多嘅隊友同我一齊準備去做同一件事。
My training motto is strong body, strong mind.
I never imagined that my university life in CU can be so intense, but also so gratifying.
我甚至我發緊夢，我都好似爬緊龍舟咁樣。你喺場上面準備慢慢上線比賽嘅時候，你聽到有幾十個師兄翻咗嚟，然後大聲嗌中大龍舟加油，俾心機嗰下係真係成個人醒晒。所以我就覺得呢個就係點解人人都會出席喺訓練入邊嘅原因。
At the end of the day, Dragon Boat is simple. One boat, one mind. When we lock in together, we move as one.